Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. My birthday is this weekend, and like many people, I was feeling a little nostalgic. I've been looking back at some of my old videos and some of my favorite moments on the channel, as well as some of the most cringy moments, specifically the animation you're looking at right now. Luckily, I still have them saved on my computer, although the software has changed over the years and I don't quite know how to put my old background and uniform on them. Nonetheless, I thought it was a good time to break them out for another appearance. In the interest of nostalgia, I put together a bit of a highlight reel with some of my favorite moments from past videos. Since it's my birthday, you'll be watching clips exclusively from my body camera. There's not much else to say other than thank you for sticking with me for all of these years. You've made this little project of mine a lot of fun. I really enjoy making these videos for you all, and it's an honor to highlight the excellent work being done by one of the most professional police departments in the country. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Okay.
This ain't wasn't no naked, yoga.
No.
I appreciate it.
If you're naked, I'm going to tase you and take you to the hospital. I promise you. I don't touch naked dudes.
Nah, I was being funny.
I know, I am too.
Oh, man, I don't know.
Maybe sometimes on Thursdays.
Oh, okay, we miss me.
Thursdays is a special day.
Now we're making strides.
He's playing with peeps. Is those yours?
Well, that was after his finger plucked them.
Oh, way to go. You just ruined them.
I used to bite the heads off the kid.
That's alright. That dope you smoked was probably in somebody's butthole, so. You know it's true.
Well, that could be. Let's just say.
So I'm pretty sure his fingers are cleaner than that butthole that your crack came out of.
Man, I'm tired, number one.
Okay.
Yeah, I stay at the Faith Mission.
Okay.
You know, man, and I'm just...
Why are you shouting?
I was shouting?
Yeah. You were like screaming and stuff in the middle of the parking lot there. Like dancing and waving your arms.
Oh, yeah, I do
Is
that.
it because of the crack you're smoking?
No, I ain't smoke no crack.
Why do you have a crack pipe in your hand? Your other hand. Hey, don't go anywhere. Okay. Where's your shirt?
Sorry.
Have a good day.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Look, there's my butt.
No, stay here. Shirt on. Thank you.
We're running away
Where are you running away to?
from the blood.
From what?
Blood.
Oh, no, don't do that.
You tell me I can't interrupt you. You can't control me. I don't work for you. You work for me. Actually, you work for me.
Okay.
Truth be
Well,
told.
I'm right here providing you a service.
Right. So I'm asking you
I'm
for
keeping
service.
you safe.
Oh,
Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Wake up. Hey, bud. Hey, how are you? Hey, it's the police. What's up, man? All right. He's alive.
Okay.
I'll give you a coffee if you can take a ride with me.
Oh yeah. I'll take it
All
around.
right, man. How do you like your coffee?
Strong black, three
Ah.
sugars, 3 cream.
Well, the black, you can't put cream in a black coffee. That doesn't make it black anymore.
Yeah.
That makes it creamy.
Yeah. Well, look.
3 creams, that coffee's gonna look like me.
I'm feeding off of your fucking energy, not fucking mine.
James,
I'm feeding off your fucking energy,
James.
not my fucking energy.
James, for a moment.
I'm good peoples, man.
James.
I'm good peoples.
Humor me for a moment, James.
I'm good fucking peoples.
Humor
Y'all
me.
coming in here with all
James.
this motherfucking negative ass fucking energy. That's what the fuck you getting back. Then you ask me fucking questions like, where's you?
What's your name? It's not a difficult question.
No.
Just relax.
Okay, I'd rather just fucking go naked. I don't want
No, don't go naked.
to. I mean, it's shorts are right behind
I'm gonna
you.
get shorts.
Where did they just go?
Put your
There's
pants
fucking-
back on, man.
Just get my shorts. They're right there.
I'm gonna grab them.
Those are.
Go ahead and sit down.
Oh yeah, just. Huh?
Go ahead and sit down,
Please
man.
just get my shorts. You
I'm
just
gonna
wanna-
get 'em.
That's cool. You just want everybody to see. That's fine.
Well, you're the one that took that
I
stuff
know.
off.
I'm a fucking weirdo.
What's your name, bub?
I'm Todd. Everybody knows me.
Todd? I don't know you.
I'm harmless. I just like to smoke fucking crack.
Just relax.
Stay down. Give me your hands. Stop it. Stop it.
I can tell you
Give me your hands.
That's not my car.
We'll talk to you in a minute. Give me your hands.
Okay, wait, my shoulder's fucked up. My shoulder's fucked up for real. For real, bro. For real. Listen, I can see what happened, but it's not my car, man.
Okay.
Wait.
Relax.
Listen, I swear, it's not my car, bro. I didn't do nothing wrong. What happened? What I do?
Give me your hand, bud. We will listen when we're...
It's not my car. It's not my car.
We know it's not yours. You could have just called instead of trying to take this upon yourself.
Is it illegal? It's not. Go now. Where you are?
All right.
Go to the house.
I'll see if I can find something there.
No, it's not illegal.
Yeah.
This is my car right here.
Officer,
hold on,
they got cameras. Ask to see it if it's really an
Chill.
issue.
All right, listen, that car back there is more than 12 inches from the curb. It's about to get towed unless you move it right now. All right, you got about 30 seconds.
30 seconds?
Yeah. All right, I'm going to get my ticket book. Go get your keys right now and move that car. We're not trying to shoot you, man. No, he doesn't. Nobody wants to shoot you, I promise. It's too cold out for that.
Why is it I couldn't have been right there already crossing, and then he keeps going. He don't even try to stop, officer.
I need your insurance.
Yeah, my insurance is right here. Yes, I like to have them dispatched out here. I don't want to give you my insurance. I'm going to give it to the other
Okay, I will.
I asked for another.
You're not going to get another officer. This isn't Burger King where you get what you want. Shelly, I'm here.
Can you like,
Listen,
do
I'm
this
here
to
with
my
you right
hair?
now. Yeah, I'll look.
not like that.
Well, you want me to pull this hair tie out?
No.
What do you want me to do?
Like, that's,
There's
like,
nothing
wipe
there.
It.
There's nothing in your hair.
Not like that. Why would you wipe it
Okay.
back on me?
Okay, there you go. There's nothing there. There's nothing there, I promise. Okay?
There's something.
I can see very clearly there's nothing in your hair.
Yes, there is.
No, there's not. Okay? All right? Get in my car, Shelly.
Something.
They send you, then the paramedics come?
Yeah, they got to make sure the area is safe.
Oh, okay.
Firefighters are afraid of this stuff.
I know.
I'm just kidding. I don't want to tase him, but I don't want to get poo on me.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, man, did you need some help with something? Oh, you don't? Oh, you look like you were flagging us down. You're like, hey, come here and help me. Why would you do that?
Because I don't like cops.
You don't?
They take me to jail and shit. So.
Oh, what do you usually do to go to jail?
Just smack cars and stuff. You know?
Why would you do that? That's kind of a silly thing. I've been talking to you ever since I first came out here to the hilltop.
No shit. When did you start in the hilltop?
10 years ago.
Damn.
Like, do you remember that night that you got mad at your girlfriend and you punched through a window and cut your
I
arm?
remember that shit.
I was out there for that. That was crazy, man. You were bleeding all over the place.
Everywhere down the, she said I was bleeding down the house.
Yeah, I used to drive by and show people that White House had a big string of blood running down the side.
Greenhouse or whatever.
Yeah. Get on the sidewalk. Wake up, bud. Hey, if I said that any nicer, I would have killed you with kindness.
You don't gotta hit me with your flashlight.
If you want me to hit with my flashlight, I will. Wake up, boss.
Okay,
I'm trying to help you out here.
you trying to help me out, but I'm in handcuffs in the back of your car, right?
Well, it's not my
Have
car.
I committed a crime?
Hey, Brandon, I'm trying to talk to you. and
Yeah,
keep
you
yelling at
ain't.
me.
Yeah, oh, whatever, man. You ain't trying to fucking talk to me.
Brandon.
You're an officer of law, right?
I sure am.
You follow the law, right?
I do.
Why am I in the back of your car right
Disorderly conduct.
now? Disorderly conduct,
Yep,
right?
it's a crime.
Have I committed a crime?
Yes, disorderly conduct.
Disorderly
Crime
conduct is a
committed.
crime.
Yes.
Yeah. Help. Help
I
me.
can't help you pee.
No, but you
Shop, we're in the area on your right.
can't accompany me, sir.
Accompany you where?
To the bathroom, sir.
Where at?
You can...
There's lots of places you go to the
What do
bathroom.
you mean?
You
Can
go.
I pay you?
No,
Oh my God.
I don't take money for that.
Say. All right, come on.
Come
Are
on,
you
what?
ready?
Ready for what?
No.
Why are you so wet? Are you sweating?
No, silly. I can't.
People don't generally act like this when they have to pee. Have you taken something tonight?
No.
It's not a crime to tell me that you've taken something. I just want to make sure you're
what
okay.
happened?
You're acting like you're high out of your
Oh
mind.
gosh, I'm not acting, sir.
Okay.
I am.
You are high out of your mind?
Yeah.
What did you take?
Huh?
What'd you take?
Nothing, sir.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
This, I'm right here with it.
Oh, this could be part of your problem.
Don't you understand?
What do you do with that?
I'm smoking weed out of there.
You don't smoke weed.
It was raining or something that's damn bad, man.
Aaron, with your condition, you shouldn't be doing that stuff, man. This is fucking.
Of course, you can't Spanish. I'm not doing this around. Just to get my hair around the customer, got made just around. I put a portion of money down. All I need is money.
Did you go to the police station earlier? Is
Yes,
that
sir.
where you
Yes,
got
I
these
did.
clothes from?
Yeah, he got me some, and then they started about to blow up.
Okay. What's going on with you today?
I'm just waiting on my buddy, but I think I drank with poison. I've been drinking a lot of poisonous water, man.
What drugs do you normally use?
I usually do weed and a little bit of meth.
Okay. It's probably the meth that's got you out
You think so?
Hey, what's this?
These are steaks. I'm getting steaks.
No, this is not a
So
steak.
these are all steaks, baby.
Are you stealing steaks
No, I'm
then?
not stealing steaks.
Give me a break. Oh my God, you got crack pipes falling out all over the place.
Damn, America, you can't do that.
This is what I do every time. But the kids
No,
don't do what I used
you're
to do.
full of shit.
I used to do that all the time.
No, you're.
That's what I do to
goddamn-
keep me from stealing. I am.
You were trying to steal steaks.
I don't have a phone. I can start.
You're missing something there. All right, get another one.
I don't have a phone. Start. I don't have a phone.
I'm not gonna.
I don't have a phone.
What are you doing? I don't think Erica's your real name.